Hello, my name is Saya Adrián de Ganso and I am a gastrologist at the Hospital Universitario de Canarias in Tenerife, Spain. The title of this study is Risk of Postpulpectomy Bleeding in Liar Colorectal Polyps, Analysis of Polyp and Patient-Related Factors. Postpulpectomy bleeding is the most frequent serious complication. The aim of this study is to assess the incidence and the risk factor for postpulpectomy bleeding in liar colorectal polyps over 10 mm. A cross-sectional study was carried out in an open-access endoscopy unit. We include only colonoscopies in patients with one or more polyps larger than 1 cm. The incidence of immediate bleeding and delayed bleeding was assessed. The variables about patient and polyp-related factor was assessed. Endoscopy polypectomy was performed in 1,894 out of 6,742 colonoscopies, 422 polyps larger than 1 cm from 364 patients. About variables associated with postpulpectomy bleeding, we can see that none of the patient variables included were significantly associated to the risk of bleeding. Regarding polyp data, size, bilious glandular pattern, and high-grade dysplasia were the only associated variables. Overall, 35 episodes of bleeding occurred in 33 patients. 25 cases were observed immediately and 10 late bleedings occurred. The median time between polypectomy and late bleeding episodes was 9 days, and average days was 4 days. No patient needed blood transfusion or surgery. A bilious glandular pattern and polyp size were significantly associated with postpulpectomy bleeding in multivariate analysis. For each millimeter in size, the risk of postpulpectomy bleeding increased by 5%. A cutoff of 14 mm could predict almost 70% of postpulpectomy bleeding episodes. The risk of postpulpectomy bleeding is higher in polyp over 14 mm with bilious pattern and harboring high-grade dysplasia. In conclusion, the rate of postpulpectomy bleeding in large cord polyps is 8%. Most of them were immediate bleeding. A cutoff of 14 mm could predict almost 70% postpulpectomy bleedings, including delayed bleeding. The effectiveness of prophylactic endoscopy treatment should be evaluated in prospective studies. Thank you.